are not happy we lost points at home. Once again, we came in stronger in the second half, but we just couldn't, manage to take the 3 points. Our aim was to win the match and at least get the maximum 3 points to boost our standing on the table. It was a difficult match. Liberty came and played very well. They did so well. And that made it very, very difficult for us to penetrate. In the second half, we went and changed a bit of our strategy, but still maintained the 4-4-2 until we had the goal. But in general, I must say it was a good match. But I think, in my opinion, Liberty played much better. And we will work hard again to make sure that we bounce back immediately. It's a personal decision I made to support the local industry. Yeah, it's a personal thing that I decided to do. Definitely, supporters know they at all times they are not team new here, and supporters. I share the whole team and cry more running more. Team be here and supporters to achieve. But saying that, so my say, you lose certain players as well. I think they are high and kakra. Injuries, but your doctors now sure and say, be bomb Muhammad pa me or more before Wednesday. And I think we bounce back. I'm finding say injuries in Tina Yentimiamo because we have enough players to play. But here I take it time and some players are gelling together. The midfielders you spoke about, they have their own individual qualities. I think the creative player, I mean, this thing was arranged before even he came here. That is why I went to me and stop it. But saying that he'll be back on Monday, hopefully, we've not lost him. But Blaine, I don't from Pono. Yes, there are two workaholics but for so pushy back and nim kakra, just to support the attackers. Because now attackers known to me and you am home pass me and more combination play and a person. Yeah, but make us on my idea. Second half near Baby pushy. It's a match and very difficult. Liberty like unpack a bus in front of their goal. So it was really difficult for us to penetrate until Opoku Babe and the Magic at least a draw. It was very good for us. At that time, we lose too much in IBA, but mentality was what to keep on fighting to the very last minute. Draw. Last week, until agents in the club and we sort out issues. I think there was a team that to me move on. As an individual, no club no dear pen. Per se not Nase Casa. But Bob Wana want to so I am a kakra. So I can say him enough. Tino, yes, or 2 a new year. I think it'll be okay. Now, coming back to the game, from Haas game, from that day, and I'm a catch up saying fan to yachi. Because anytime ever ball has a we be ana couldn't be ban. The next match, and Yana Quese to the modern day, but we did so well to put that behind us. Well, players I know Manya Knox in Kakra, the person Mutinefia now more recover fully answer. I say, I was say forget it. We born no Bobako now achieve aim. Now, no show 3 more wow in the next game. They know boy will lose what we know, so put it behind you. Now, talk possible, but I think say, and yeah, until one factors no Dawson supporters name my stadium they high and cannot run a hard team no power because Nieman Bebre supporters no they crash be share team no more. We can do it, but you yet to some extent. But Uba Park now who supporters around and also a different feeling altogether. I think say supporters no bar a boy team no year pa. they no affect the team in a way. Updates no free your medical team no. Omo one so omo hwe no dressing room until by tomorrow I be training no dey na omo am updates no. Na ya hwe se dey no be kwa na se ntimi fa no ntu kwan.
Okay.
Say we prepare so well na we bad dey opese unya but all said and done happen yeah the better and easy but team they are building we even play much better in away games than at home, especially our supporters in Holland. Yeah, who are supporters, and I think say ever bounce back because Kotoko there we always want to perform to at least satisfy our supporters. And you know, I don't think say that bad, sir. It's a game and you lose where we nearly lost the game, but Bobo boys number so with Tomo fighting spirit, even though say now there was nobody to cheer the team up. And you know, Bobo boys number so my idea. Say, who run a professional team? There's very little you can do. Say players need training firma. Any camp, your camp there, you bet me I'm on the town, but or coffee on the family or no much. What else can you do? But all the time, you know, what we do, they say, from has match, you know, constantly any players nakasa say because who say ball has we be at the next games near na one here na was slip. You know the caution you till Enra. Said the beya good performance in there. Till the start year na go man. We kept pushing them until say second half a team at goal. Like I said, na a match ananka and that's where yasa. But boys no pushy to the very last minute. It's difficult. It was a very difficult match and our Liberty I to say one goal no meant. But with the effort and individual display of Opokuno, Ebuwa my team in row. Then you know you have 2 factors here. They are so huge. Team we are no shisha. Now we are the core of the team. We are do mabo matches to but now we are free. Now we are free. Sometimes we are not. We shut them wapi. And today try as much as we can. No, you be bobo friendly matches. My players winning na match fitness. No, yes and then on Kebaya because a bit others have to show up and really perform. In a week, about friendly match, to keep players' fitness level at the highest level.
Okay.
Go where no one knows.
Like I say, a great feeling, But say we are thinking about the team in general, but me on individual. Although some should go there, but draw no, it's not that happy. Nanka, she said, "Can be released our home game way. Nanka improve a bussy mora, but draw na bandia, you be some sa." The mechanic say, Patrick floaty bono. Now me who say do and die. Me say me call say BB BCBNC. It's be the me who call and I'm going to buy. But bia nko obeso say goalkeeper na ba obe crash no ba me say dwene fi metim say me come de me hunya eko na ebesi bi nsi na am go ne ba so na ye pese bia pese o give the best I able to me there atika na as able to me win game no ntuno enya me nko a obia almost 11 players no obia struggle ntuno me nka say bia me nko I think a team effort.
Okay, so this is what I want to do.
The midfielders you spoke about, they have their own individual qualities. I think the creative player, I mean, this thing was arranged before even he came here. That is why I went to me and stop it. But saying that he'll be back on Monday, hopefully, we've not lost him. But blame I don't frimpon. Yes, there are 2 workaholics but for so pushy back kakra just to support the attackers because now attackers known to me and you home pass me and more combination play and person But make us on my idea. Second half near Babe pushy. It's a match and very difficult. Liberty, like unpack a bus in front of their goal. So it was really difficult for us to penetrate until Opoku Babe and the Magic at least a draw. It was very good for us. At that time, we have a Kasanaki a lose match in IBA, but mentality was what to keep on fighting to the very last minute. You mama draw. Say, run a professional team. There's very little you can do. Say, players need training firma. Any camp, your camp there, you bet me on the town, but or coffee on the family or no much. What else can you do? But all the time, what we do, they say, from has match, constantly any players nakasa say because who say ball has we be at the next games near na one here na was slip. You know the caution you want till Enra. Said the be good performance in there. In the start year na go man. We kept pushing them until say second half your team at goal. Like I said, na a match ananka and that's where yasa. But boys no pushy to the very last minute. It's difficult. It was a very difficult match and our Liberty I to say one goal no miente. But with the effort and individual display of Opokuno,